Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Starting off with the exterior, this boat is equipped with the optional tan hull color with white underside. Got a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Toasted tweed bimini top with matching canvas and matching tan interior as well. Standard on this boat's a 115. This boat is powered with an optional 154 stroke from Mercury. We've got a full walk across along the transom, swim platforms on both sides, and a telescoping boarding ladder to the port side. Now we'll transition to the inside of the boat. So here on the transom of the 19 SPX, we do have a full walk across along the transom, so you can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. We've got a ski pole equipped, a 12-volt power source for charging your devices, which is convenient when you're using this large sun pad area, when you're anchored out at the beach or just catching some sun. We've got a standard cooler with dedicated space as you enter the cockpit. Got 2 steps down to the cockpit area, and then beneath the stern seat we've got a built-in cooler, storage beneath the port side, or starboard side rather, excuse me. Really comfortable seating. All of Sea Ray's upholstery is done in-house. And then of course with the outboard power application, all of this is open for really deep and versatile storage. Got twin captain chairs that have flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. These chairs do slide and rotate. Really well-appointed helm area. Steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt. Got a 5-inch touchscreen SIMRAD unit. Fusion stereo head unit here as well. Vinyl wrapped black brow, really well appointed. Cup holder here for your captain, and then charging ports for your devices as well. We've got storage down in the deck. Storage to the port side, and finished out and drained storage area here. You can also use this for a cooler. A lot of lounge space up in the bow, with storage beneath on both sides, cup holders and a grab rail forward, 2 speakers forward. Notice we don't have a tapered nose, so we don't sacrifice any lounging space forward. And that's Sea Ray's 19 SPX outboard. If you have any questions, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. Thanks for watching.